Today we're going to talk about the essential tools you will need for basic house or apartment repairs. Whether you are a seasoned do-it-yourselfer or just starting out, having these tools on hand will make life a lot easier. Let's dive in. First up, we have tape measure. This is an absolute must-have for any home repair job, from measuring spaces for new furniture to checking the dimension of a do-it-yourself project. A good tape measure is indispensable. Make sure you get one that at least 25 feet long and has clear and easy read marking. Next, we have the channel lock. These adjustable pliers are perfect for gripping, turning pipes, bolts, and other objects of varying sizes. The adjustable jaw allows you to tackle a wide range of tasks with just one tool. You could get this in different sizes. This particular one is big size, but you could get it in small, medium, and large. Moving on. Let's talk about the box cutter. This handy tool is perfect for cutting through cardboard, plastic, and even some types of flooring. Its versatility and essential for any project that involves unpacking or trimming materials. Always remember to keep extra blade on hand and to retract the blade when not in use for safety. You could always store extra blade in the bag over here. Of course, no toolkit is complete without hammer. Whether you are hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or doing minor demo, a good hammer is key. Look for one that's well balanced and comfortable to hold. Claw hammer is particularly useful because it has claw on one side for removing nails. Now, let's add an Allen key set to the mix. These hex keys are essential for assembling furniture, particularly from stores from like IKEA. They come in various sizes to fit different bolts and screws, making them must-have for any home. Finally, we have the multi-purpose scraper. This tool is perfect for removing paint, chalk, and adhesive residue. It can also be used to smooth out surface and scrape off debris. Its versatility makes it an excellent addition to your toolkit. Last but not least, we have multi-bit screwdriver. This tool is incredibly convenient because it comes with various interchangeable bits, so you could handle different type of screw without needing multiple screwdrivers. It's real time saver and helps keep your toolkit compact and organized. So there you have it, the essential tool for basic house or apartment repairs with a tape measure, channel lock, box cutter, hammer, multi-bit screwdriver, hex Allen key set, and multi-purpose scraper. You will be well equipped to handle most common repairs around your home. If you find this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy repairing.